As we head into what is shaping up to be the most parabolic portion of the current bull run, many of you may be thinking about superpowering your trades with leverage. ByBit has recently added a ton of new coins just in time for alt season. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the newest trading pairs on ByBit and rank them on their PUMPtential. Nearly a dozen new assets are now available for derivatives trading on ByBit, where you can add leverage to your trades to juice up your gains at the end of the cycle. You'll be able to select between 1x to 25x leverage for many of these new pairs, depending on your risk appetite and tolerance. If you haven't signed up for ByBit yet, head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals for a special sign-up bonus. Number 10, we have DYDX, the token for the fast-rising decentralized derivatives exchange of the same name. DYDX has been around for a while, but the project really didn't start taking off until they built a fast and low-fee exchange on Ethereum's Layer 2 and airdropped a token to some of its traders. Unfortunately, traders in the US missed out on this airdrop because regulators here hate to see us get free money. Token for DYDX has been on a tear since launching earlier this year and has remained relatively stable through the volatility we've seen in the markets recently. For number 9, you can now also trade FTT, the Tom and Giselle approved token for the FTX exchange on ByBit. FTX is one of the fastest growing centralized exchanges that soon plans on launching an NFT platform to bring in even more users. The FTT token reached an all-time high of around $80 last month, now consolidating just under $60 after a correction, still up almost 1,400% for 2021, and its growth isn't an accident. FTX is led by blockchain whiz kid Sam Bankman-Fried. He's now becoming possibly the biggest competitor to Coinbase. Number 8. New to ByBit, but not new to us, is Chili's, the popular community token that allows fans to connect with their favorite sports teams. Chili's reached as high as 80 cents earlier this year and is now on a discount at around 30 cents. The hype has died down a bit for this token, but the team is strong and they are carving out a sizable niche for themselves in various sporting leagues. It's important to note that back in my interview with Raoul Pal, Raoul said that he believes community tokens are ones that are going to see the most parabolic gains in the years to come. Now, if you want to stay in the know on where the gains are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It puts you in the BitSquad and puts you in the best community in all of crypto, where we give you coins where you might be able to get baby back ribs at them. Number 7, Dash, a blast from the past, is now available on ByBit as well. Dash was once one of the most popular privacy coins in the early days of crypto, but it found a home in the developing world where it's used as an alternative currency. Dash is especially popular in Venezuela, where the crumbling fiat currency has many citizens taking an interest in crypto. At the peak of its popularity, Dash was trading well over $1,000, now sitting around $200. Privacy coins have fallen out of vogue this year, but that's going to change as CBDCs start to take shape and freedom-loving people flock to a true digital cash. Dash has the legs and the fundamentals to be around for a while and could absolutely make big jumps this cycle that leverage traders will enjoy. Number 6, Kusama, another crypto asset that's been heating up over the past few days, is now available for trading. Prices for both Polkadot and Kusama have been going crazy due to the anticipation of the parachain auctions taking place in the ecosystem. Kusama is closely connected with Polkadot and is often called Polkadot's canary network, because this is where many applications and features are being deployed before they can be fully operational on the Polkadot chain. This is different from a testnet because it will still be home to plenty of great apps, but the best of them will be able to make their way onto the main Polkadot chain. Just a reminder, if you want to trade any of these coins, you can head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals. Number 5, Luna, Terra's stablecoin network, powered in part by the Luna token. It's had an incredible year, increasing in value by over 11,000% for this year alone. Through its popular Chai app and other sources, Terra has over 2 million users, many of them living in South Korea, where the network and Squid games are very popular. While Terra's big runs may be behind it, it will still see upward momentum as the altcoins start making new all-time highs. Number 4, Near Protocol is another one that has had a wild run this year, and they're now available on ByBit as well. Near is a proof-of-stake smart contract platform that hopes to achieve mainstream adoption by being as user-friendly as possible for newcomers. Near is up over 500% for the year. It's quickly gaining ground in the smart contract race. definitely one to watch out to and to hold near to your portfolio. Number 3 is Cosmos, a project that is building a network of blockchains by providing important infrastructure to the industry with its Tendermint protocol. Many of the industry's leading products, including Loon, Rune Thorchain, Mirror Protocol, and Binance Smart Chain, were all built with Cosmos using Tendermint. The price for Cosmos began a sharp upturn earlier this week and is currently up nearly 500% for the year. Definitely one to watch out for. Number 2, OMG. It's a Layer 2 scaling solution to Ethereum that has been around for a long time. It has had a recent resurgence with the launch of the other Layer 2 networks. OMG is up over 300% for the year, still is yet to reach its all-time high from the last cycle. That means a lot of PUMPtential. Now trade this asset on ByBit just in time for Layer 2 season. You're welcome. Just a reminder, none of these picks are financial advice, but we think that these are all ones to watch. Number 1 is ByBit's native token, BIT. The new BIT token supports the BIT DAO that pulls talent and resources and channels them into building out the DeFi ecosystem. BIT DAO is governed by BIT token holders who are able to propose and vote on various measures such as treasury allocation, token swaps, partnerships, and more. You can also buy and sell BIT for USDT on ByBit's spot trading platform with zero maker fees. That's a sweet deal and makes leverage trading BIT that much sweeter. Token based on an exchange as strong as ByBit is a solid fundamental that will mean the token has staying power. All of these new pairs are currently available for trading on ByBit's web version and will be supported on the mobile app sometime soon. Make sure to check out bitboycrypto.com/deals and scroll down to the ByBit section to get access. You guys remember at all times that leverage trading can be dangerous for people who are not experienced. So make sure you understand what you're doing. You're going to be heading over to ByBit. And also a reminder, you can't withdraw more than 2 Bitcoin if you don't complete KYC with ByBit. Just make sure, guys, that you never risk more than you can afford to lose. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.